Children, let's read and spell the words. Bread, bread. B-R-E-A-D. Bread. Cheese, cheese. C-H-E-E-S-E. Cheese. Jam, jam. J-A-M. Jam. Juice, juice. J-U-I-C-E. Juice. Butter, butter. B-U-T-T-E-R. Butter. It is tea time. The children are hungry. Miss Wong asks Kelly, "What do you like on your bread?" "I like jam," says Kelly. Kelly puts jam on her bread. "I like butter," says Mike. Mike puts butter on his bread. "I like cheese. Yummy," says Paul. Paul puts cheese on his bread. "I like juice," says Henry. "Juice and bread?" asks Paul. "The bread will be wet." Henry laughs and says, "No, I eat the bread and drink the juice." Children, let's listen to the song. I like bread.